Welcome. Today I am making image service cards that are dynamic based on a Oxy Metabox custom repeating post types that are clonable custom fields on custom post types. So I made a services custom post type, and we're using Oxygen to render this site. Let's get started. So here's what we're trying to do. I just made these custom cards, and I've got a custom post type for services, and I've made custom fields. You can see my custom post type for services, very basic. It's a service, it's a page type. Then I made these custom fields here. So custom fields, let me edit my service field so you can see what I've done. Super simple. I made one custom field. I like to name them what they are, so service minus underscore featured features. This is a text box. What I did was I made it clonable, okay? And then I added a prepend text and an append text. So basically, I just made a div, and I'm using Oxy Ninja, so you're seeing Oxy Ninja classes. And I made a div with that's center inline with margin bottom small. It's got an icon here that uses a fancy checkbox, and then a class that controls the text to be medium-sized, dark, with a little bit of padding to the left of it so that it doesn't slam up against the icon, and then I close the two divs afterwards. Okay, this is important because when we make a clonable field, I want to be, and I also have this field sortable. When I make clonable fields, I want to be able to display this as a list of checkboxes. And if I don't do a prepend text and an append text, then the checkboxes don't show up, and it just has these fields in a big string, and it's not nearly as pretty. So let's take a look at the service post type. Here is building maintenance, and also have landscaping there, and we can make as many as possible. So the idea is, and this is not how it's going to look, we're going to actually customize this landing page itself. But if you look down here, okay, we have the repeatable field. So I could add another field if I wanted to and call it something else. And if I save that and I go to the front end of the website, building maintenance now offers something else, right? So that's the functionality that I'm trying to achieve. And let me get rid of something else. I'm going to X that out. Okay. And save that, and then now something else is gone. The idea is that it's easy for us to maintain, easy for a potential client to maintain as well. So all said and done, we got that going. We got the custom fields in there. I was having trouble figuring out how to make this prepend text display. So I figured it out. We go in here. I added a block. I selected the whole block, right? So it's just a div. I select the div. I go to insert data, Metabox, service field, which is the field in my Metabox, and this is a repeater. We'll have to get into repeaters another time. That's not what this is about. And then I said include append prepend text. Okay, that's what I did there. And then it showed me that content. So I got that to work, and then the problem I was running into is these checkboxes weren't showing up. So what I discovered is the checkboxes have to already be being used because Oxy Ninja and Oxygen are trying their very best to save you resources. So I ended up adding an actual hidden checkbox in the footer. I added that exact icon that I wanted to use, and then I just made it into visibility none. Under layout, I just went over to visibility hidden. Nope, I went to visibility display none, because hidden leaves you a space. So I went to display none. So there's actually an invisible checkbox hiding at the bottom. That way, when I call this checkbox, it actually renders. Okay. So that's how I made these checkboxes based on Oxy Ninja and Oxygen Builder, and using clonable fields in Metabox custom fields. Short and sweet. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. You know what to do. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.